Hi, welcome to Chatura Chess Academy. I am Gautam Ashok along with Maruti Mohan. In this video, we will solve some of the puzzles. These are mate in one puzzles. Okay, let's start. In this position, we are playing from the black side. If you are playing from the black side, what will be your move? Yes, the answer is bishop to here and give a check. While thinking about our move, we should consider how to checkmate if there is any possibility. In case if there is any possibility, we should look for checkmate. So here let's see what is the scope for king. So king is occupied in this square and this square is not attacked as of now. And let's observe some more things. All these squares around the king are controlled by black. Even this square is controlled by black. Only thing was only these two squares. If we can attack both these squares, it can be checkmated. So that's why the answer was bishop to check, and then it's a checkmate. Okay, next one. In this position, we are playing from the black side. So if it is your turn, what will be your move? So before thinking, just observe the king's position. So what was the scope for the king? See here, these both squares are occupied by the black pieces and also these squares. Only scope for the king was the square occupied by the king. So if we can manage to attack this square while managing all this control of squares, then it will be checkmated. So the solution was queen to here, at the same time controlling all the squares around the king. All the squares around the king, and it was checkmated and attacking the king. Okay, next position. Firstly, try yourself. It's a mate in one positions. Try to think about the move and then pause the video. Resume the video and continue. Okay. See, first of all, we should see what was the scope for the opponent king. So, opponent king, white has scope. Doesn't have this square, and all these squares are controlled by black. Even this square, only scope for the opponent king was the square occupied by the king. So if we can attack this square, it can be checkmated. So the move was knight to here and give a check, and it's a checkmate. Okay, in this position we are playing from the black side. If it is your turn, what will be your move? See, first of all, we should observe the king's position. So what was the scope for the king? So king can go to, I think these squares are occupied, and even this square. Rook is controlling these squares and bishop is controlling these squares. So the scope for the king was only the square occupied by the king. If we can attack this square, it can be checkmated. So the solution was rook to here, and it's a checkmate. Okay, next position. In this position, we are playing from the white side. So what will be your move? First of all, we should observe the scope for the king. So let's observe the king's position. So king has scope of, it cannot go to here, but it can go to here. Yeah, it can go to here and cannot go to here. This square is occupied by white, on this square, on this square. Okay, so only scope was only these two squares. If we can attack both the squares, it can be checkmated. So the move was queen to here, and it's a checkmate. Okay, let's go to the last one. We are playing from the white side. If you are playing from the white side, what will be your move? First, observe the scope of the king. So king, the square occupied by the king is not attacked as of now. Here you can observe the rook is X-ray attack. Like if we, for suppose if we open up this knight, both these squares are controlled by the rook. Okay, all we need is we have to attack all the squares where the king is presented as of now, and where it can escape. Yeah, all these three squares, if we can attack at a time, then it will be checkmated. So here we have a solution, that knight to here, attacking the square, opening up the rook and attacking these two crucial squares, and it's a checkmate. So if you have solved all this, we'll get full points like 1 1 1 each, and it's 6 points. And we are from Chatura Chess Academy. We will give training for the beginners and intermediate level players. For getting training from us, contact this number. We have online package, online academy, recorded classes, and also live classes. You can contact for us for more details. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.